Hello friends, I am Aditya and you are watching Germanclass. In today's video, we'll learn some vocabulary, Wortschatz related to hotel or restaurant. So the Zimmer means the room. You want to reserve a room. So ich heiße, like you will speak your name, ich heiße Aditya or ich habe bei Ihnen ein Doppelzimmer reserviert. I have reserved a double room with you. Or you can ask, haben Sie ein Zimmer frei? Do you have free one room? This is error. Or haben, correct spelling haben. So it's error little. Haben Sie ein Einzelzimmer? Einzelzimmer means single room. Do you have a single room? Or do you have a room free? Next, bestellen. Like ich habe vor 3 Tagen ein Zimmer reserviert, or you can say bestellt. I have reserved 3 days ago one room, or I have an order. Or we would like to have a Doppelzimmer. Wir möchten ein Doppelzimmer. We would like to have a double room. Then Bade, Telefon, like ich hätte gern ein Zimmer. I would like to have. Hätte gern means I would like to have. I wish to have a room with douche, shower, bathroom, telephone, or Meerblick. Meerblick means sea view. You want to have a sea view location of the room. So this is your demand, request. So ich hätte gern, or I wish to have. This is the structure you would use. Then Halbpension, Vollpension. When you get 2-time meals, it's Halbpension. When you get 3-time meals in a hotel, that is called Vollpension. So I would like to have a room with Halbpension oder Vollpension. Ich möchte ein Zimmer mit Halbpension oder Vollpension. Or what time is the breakfast? You want to inquire about the timing. Wie viel Uhr ist das Frühstück? You are new in the hotel, you don't know about the timings. So at what time is the breakfast? Wie viel Uhr ist das Frühstück? Then parking space, Parkplatz. Gibt es einen Parkplatz? Is there any parking space in your hotel? You want to park your car or your personal vehicle. So you will ask, gibt es einen? Is there a parking space in your hotel? Then Koffer means suitcase or luggage. Suppose you are at the reception, you are finding your luggage. Wo ist mein Gepäck? You have just checked in. Where is my Gepäck? Or ich kann es nicht finden. I cannot find it. Or kann ich mein Gepäck hier lassen? Can I leave? Can I leave my luggage here? Lassen means to leave. Can I leave? Okay. Can I leave my luggage here? So these are very simple and basic sentences. Very useful. Then Rechnung means bill. Like you want to pay with the credit card. Or ich möchte mit der Kreditkarte bezahlen. Or when will I get the Rechnung? When will I get the bill? Wann bekomme ich die Rechnung? When will I get? So that's all in this video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Take care.